Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Samsung 100-inch class, QN80H series, Neo QLED, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. What's been missing from our living rooms lately? A bigger screen that makes us feel like we're right there in the action. That's what Samsung has brought to the table with their latest 100-inch QN80H series, Neo QLED TV. This is going to be a game changer for anyone who loves sports, gaming, or just watching the latest blockbusters in stunning quality. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, do I really need a 100 screen? But trust me, this thing is an experience. It's not just about the size, it's about the picture quality, the sound, and the overall immersion that Samsung has brought to this TV. So, let's dive into what makes this thing tick. One of the standout features of this TV is its ability to deliver ultrafine contrast, which basically means that every scene looks incredible, whether you're in a dark room or a bright one. The contrast is so good that it brings out details in both shadows and highlights in a way that feels almost otherworldly. And with precisely controlled lighting zones working together, you get a perfect balance of light and darkness in every scene. But what really sets this TV apart is its intelligent engine behind the stunning picture. With 20 neural networks and advanced AI, Samsung has been able to analyze and enhance every scene for clarity, texture, and contrast. This means that even if you're watching lower resolution content, it's going to look amazing. And with optimized audio, dialogue sounds clearer, and sound feels fuller and more balanced. Now, let's talk about the gaming experience. This TV is a beast, folks. With ultra-smooth 144Hz performance and advanced variable refresh rate technology, you get an edge in games that require split-second reactions. No more screen tearing or stuttering, just seamless gameplay. And with AI-powered processing, your favorite shows and movies look stunning in 4K resolution. One thing I love about this TV is how it transforms your favorite content into something truly captivating. With advanced AI processing, Samsung has been able to seamlessly upscale lower resolution content to 4K, delivering incredible clarity and sharp visuals. It's like having a personal movie theater at home. Of course, no TV is perfect, and there are some downsides to this behemoth. Sometimes the menus can be a bit slow to load, and you might need to adjust the settings to get everything just right. But overall, I've been very impressed with my experience so far. So, should you buy this TV? If you're looking for an immersive viewing experience that will transport you to another world, then yes, this is the TV for you. It's perfect for anyone who loves sports, gaming, or movies, and it's especially great for families or groups of friends who want to gather around the TV. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. The link to grab the Samsung 100-inch class, QN80H series, Neo QLED is right below in the description.